Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, fog lights, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, universal garage door opener, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.